And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Poketime, Battleblock Theater's Community Levels by Vhampster. Let's get going. Now, this is the final set of levels before the time trial, and I will do the time trial, but I don't know if I'll do the encore levels. If you ask me really nicely, I'll consider doing it. Yes, that checkpoint was really close to the start line, and there's a teleporter down there, which will bring me over there, and then back here. Or, oh dear. Oh, it's bringing me somewhere different now. Yep. Duck! Well. Yep. Good job, piggies. That's the end of the level? No, I'm not doing that. No, okay, I gotta get you. No. Oh, no, go back. Oh, this is new. Let's do this. Okay. And then, yes. And, oh, so amazing. Yeah, I'll just go around the place. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, wait a while. And then go. Yep. Oh, hey, yay! Woohoo! What's over here? Anything I can do? No, maybe not. Okay. Oh! Really? That was the only reason why they were there? Maybe I have to do that timer thing. I'm actually going to I'm going to bring this over here. Oh no, don't do that. Bring it over here. I'll put it there and go up. And there's no secrets. I like to make my own secrets. I make my own secrets. Oh, a secret! Oh no! Oh, I know they're bad guys. Was that necessary? Oh, okay. Whoa! Jesus! Oh, wow! Oh, do I just... I love this theme tune. This is the best theme tune ever. No, something like that. Okay. Surely I should be able to find the pie in this, but I guess not. Yeah! I found a secret! I didn't know you could put secret levels into your own custom levels. Well, there you go.
Now that's how it's done.
Yeah! Time bonus! That totally counts as that level being complete. I'm leaving it at that. Time for level 8. Another Pokeball level.
People would still buy strawberries if they were called fart berries or dookie fruits.
Ow. I still like strawberries if they're called fart berries. Honestly, I think I would. Whoa. Oh, holy shit on a stick.
That's a new one.
It is, isn't it? I invented it myself. Ah, what are you doing? Nope. Oh
my god!
Oh my goodness! Oh, for God's sake. Here comes the... okay, I need that guy. I need that guy. Go on. Yes, here we go. Okay. Yes. I sure do. I know how to jump into all the things and collect them. Nope. What's going on? Okay, I'll just stay there and then you can come back and collect me. I want to be collected. I want to be picked up. Okay, I can get that. And then I can just kind of... There we go. That's how we do it. Wait, what? No, there's nothing there. That. Ow. No, that was the wrong button. Oh.
What's going on?
How does one do that? I'm trying to figure out how do you do the sliding attack thing. No. Oh, I've blocked that now. There we go. Whoa! No. I've died too many times that way. Okay, that just kind of stays there. I will take you, however. And then you just go back there. No. Okay. We need to take all the bricks off. Bow. Bow. Come on. And then... Yep. There we go. And then just kind of let the saw... There he is. No! 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 Ah! Oh, he doesn't go past checkpoints. I see. Okay. Run, run, run. Oh, okay, flappy wings. Hup, 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 hup. Yay! Extra strawberry! Yay!
You could always go back and find what you missed.
If I wanted to, but I shan't. Hey! Ah! Oh. I'll just let you. Oh, fire blocks everywhere.
Maybe you should invest in some clothes. You're awfully naked.
Yes, I am awfully naked, and that's how I like it. Except in public places. It's frowned upon in society. Get out of my way! Get out of my way. Oh, sir! Excuse me, sir. Oh, hold on.
Pick what you want. I mean, it's your character.
Let's push him away with this, shall we? Yes. No. No. Oh, switch weapon. Yeah! No. No. This is not how we do this. Come on. Okay. Yeah! It's not very effective!
No, don't die!
Oh no, I'm over there. Forgot about that. See, I can't do anything until that cat moves! And the cat's not gonna move! See, he's not moving. Okay. I'm gonna grenade him. No.
Choose your attire, sire.
Choose your attire, sire. There we go. No, switch weapons, and then throw grenade. Throw grenade. No, wrong way. Go this way. Throw grenade. No, throw grenade. Throw grenade. Throw grenade. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm just gonna restart this level. Yes. Restart the level. Look, he just instantly goes up there and blocks the path. Okay. We'll have to deal with... Oh. Yeah, I'll just kind of... I'm just gonna hit this guy. Ah, he's getting scared of me now, aren't you? Yeah. Move away from me now. Okay, you get out of the way, because I need to take out... Okay. Okay, that should be fine. Hey, hey! Yeah. Wow, hello you. Oh, there's the exit down there. I seize it. Oh, okay. Hold on. Ah, I blew myself up. my way. Whoa, okay. Thank you for that. Oh no.
You were this close.
I need one more strawberry before I can win this level.
What was that?
What was that indeed? Stop that. Stop it. Stop. Look. Yeah, I'll just leave him there. Okay. Hup, hup, hey, hey, ho, hey, ha, ha, hey, whoop, ha, addy up, hey, 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 whoa, hey, yeah, ho. Okay, now we can go to the finish line. Alright. We'll go this way first. This way. Oh, moving block. Is there anything this way? Oh, look, there's nothing this way. There's nothing. Okay, let's just go. Throw a grenade! Out of frustration. I hate this. Okay, good. I thought I'd trap myself, but I don't think so. No! There. 6 strawberries. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. No, no, no. No, sir.
Oh, you made that look
Oh, I got a time thing. Oh, that's great. Oh. Okay, that's those 3 levels done. And then in the next and possibly final part, we are going to take on the time trial levels. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.